We're doing a really sophisticated thing today. We're putting a roof rack, a roof rack on our 2018 Jeep Compass. So, and yes, a roof rack. At least you know there's a roof rack that fits a 2018 Compass if you're looking. And no, we didn't buy it from Jeep. It was too expensive. So we bought it from Amazon. We'll put links in the details. So look for links in the details. It's not a bad looking thing. Fits the rails pretty nice. It's pretty nice. These don't really do anything but tighten down the rails that can't go anywhere anyway. It's got a nice taper design, aluminum rails. Runs right in the factory holes. Got two positions in the back. We put it in the front one. You can also take these out and put it in the back one. So overall, pretty good quality. That's a car going by. Yeah, sorry, the truck. Couple of nice tie down spots. Seem pretty rigid, so there you go. That's it. We did it. So can you. Almost forgot the most important things. It comes with Jeep stickers. Look at that. Also comes with a sticker to mark it for the front rail and load capacity. So, you know, I'm sure those will stay on all of 5 minutes. So, anyhow, there you go.